Here's a great deal on a 2014 Nissan Frontier. This four-door, five-passenger truck still has fewer than 70,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 4-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, automatic temperature control, a bed liner, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.